So this is the hairstyle that we are working with, and if you want to see this sleek straight hair look, then just keep watching. So first of all, I have just washed my hair and I'm kind of going all in, and I'm going to show you exactly how I look after my hair. For shampoo, I use the Garnier Ultimate Blends Honey Treasures. When I'm going for that perfect straight look, I like to use the Lee Stafford Poker Straight Conditioner, just on top of the other conditioner. Next, I am going to be applying a hair mask today because, like I said, I just want to show you guys what I do for my hair because it is damaged. This is the Age Defy one by Pantene and I really love it. Like, I've been using it a long time, and I'm going to start applying that into my hair now. It says just kind of massage it in, especially on the ends and the roots as well, and leave it for 2 minutes. So whilst I wait for that to mix into my hair, I'm just going to sit here and answer some YouTube comments, look on my emails and just do some blog work. Okay, I'm back with another coloured towel. So I like to use a heat protection when I'm blowing out my hair. This is the Lee Stafford one and I've been using this for a long time and I think this is also really good. So now I've sectioned my hair, I've just put the top section up. I'm going to start by blowing out my hair. The hairdryer I'm using is the Remington one. I've lost the bit that goes on the end, which actually creates a lot more volume, but we're going to work with this. So I'm going to show you how I blow it out. So using a big paddle brush, I just like to brush from behind and just blow dry. Okay, so now we are blow dried. I'm going to be using the sea salt texturizing spray just to apply into my roots, and it just gives texture and quite a bit of volume. Nala decided to sit on my lap whilst I'm filming. So to straighten my hair, I'm going to be using the Nikki Clark straighteners. These are the black and purple ones. I will link them down below. So as I was saying earlier, that my hair can be quite dull, I like to use this Lee Stafford Shine Spray, and oh, it just gives you shine. But that is my routine to get the sleeky straight hair. This I use twice a week, the mask, the hair mask, but everything else I pretty much use all the time when I want this hairstyle. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!